Hi there, boys and girls. Happy Monday. Time to start our phonics lesson. All right, so I'm going to say a word pair that rhymes, and then your job is to think of one or two more words that rhyme. So we'll do the first one together. Dad had. So now you say, Dad had, mad, sad, bad. Those are all words that rhyme. So I'm going to give you the next one, and then you think of some words on your own that rhyme with these. Flat bat. Did you think of sat or pat? Good job. Let's try the next one. Four door. Great. Next one. Twice rice. Knock dock. Great. I'm sure you thought of some great words. All right, our next one is onset fluency. I'm going to give you two words. If they start with the same sound, give me a thumbs up. If they start with different sounds, thumbs down. Repeat after me. Pear, peel. Thumbs up, they both start with P. Type, doll. They don't start with the same sound. How, home. Dear, deep. Your, same. Great. Next is our blending phonemes. We need our choppers. Repeat after me. S-a-b, sob. R-a-k, rock. N-a-t, not. P-a-d, pod. J-a-b, job. Excellent, you did it. All right, next one is our roller coaster. We're looking for our middle sounds. All right, so we're going to start this side. You start with your first sound. Your roller coaster goes up the hill on the middle sound and then down. All right, you're going to repeat after me. Here we go. Cat. K-at. Nice job. What's that middle sound? Ah. Good. Okay. Pet. P-et. Middle sound? You got it. Hit. H-it. Middle sound? Eh. Not. N-ought. Middle sound? Ah. Sun. S-a-n. Middle sound? Great job with that one. All right, our next one, we need our choppers again. This time, we're going to say the word first, then we're going to chop it into 3 pieces. Repeat after me. Tin. T-i-n. Ready? Dig. D-i-g. sip, sip. Rim, m. Hip, hip. Excellent. Next one is adding phonemes. So you're going to need your hands for this one. We're going to start with the end of a word and add a piece to the beginning. Repeat after me. Id. Add ul. Lid. Ip. Add s. Sip. It. Add f. Fit. Ig. Add p. Pig. Im. Add k. Kim. Excellent. Next one, deleting phonemes. So we're going to have a word in our hands, and then we're going to take away a piece of that word. Repeat after me. Bed. Without b, what's left is ed. Pet. Without p, what's left is et. Den. Without d, what's left is n. Leg. Without ul, what's left is egg. Peg. Without p, what's left is egg. Excellent. Next one is substituting phonemes. You're going to need your fists, and we are going to be changing out the beginning of a word. So repeat after me. Well. Change w to b. Bell. Bell. Change b to t. Tell. Tell. Change t to f. Fell. Fell. Change f to s. Sell. Excellent. All right, and the last thing we're going to do is we're going to do a rhyme, and we're going to review a bunch of the rhymes that we've done already. So I'm going to pick one each day, and then you're going to see if you remember it. So listen to me, and then you're going to see if you can do the whole thing. If you can't, just back up your video and listen again, all right? So today I'm going to do Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Your turn. Great job. All right, I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye.